Welcome to our epic journey through the heart of Africa, where we explore some of the most fascinating animals on the continent. From the vast savannas to the dense jungles, Africa is home to a breathtaking array of creatures, each with its own unique adaptations and survival strategies. And trust me, they've got more tricks up their sleeves than a magician at a kid's party. We will witness their daily struggles for survival, their intricate social structures, and the remarkable ways in which they interact with their environment. Spoiler alert, it's not always pretty. Get ready to be captivated by the beauty, power, and majesty of these incredible animals. And maybe have a laugh or two along the way. Our first stop is the majestic African elephant, the true heavyweight champion of the animal kingdom, the largest land animal on Earth, and no, they don't need a gym membership. Weighing up to 6 tons and standing over 3 meters tall, they make NBA players look short. These gentle giants roam the savannas in herds led by matriarchs, the oldest and wisest females, basically the grandmothers who know best. Their trunk, a marvel of evolution, is a fusion of nose and upper lip, and no, it's not for sneezing. Possessing over 40,000 muscles, it's like having a Swiss Army knife on your face. It serves as a multi-purpose tool for breathing, smelling, drinking, communicating, and delicately stripping leaves from branches like a gourmet chef preparing a salad. African elephants are keystone species, playing a vital role in their ecosystem. Their dung disperses seeds, talk about a natural fertilizer. Their browsing habits shape vegetation, and their very presence creates clearings that benefit other animals. It's like they're the landscapers of the savanna. Join me as we observe a family group navigating the savanna, their calves playfully mimicking their elders, like kids trying to walk in their parents' shoes, learning the ways of their ancestors in a delicate dance of survival, and maybe a little bit of fun too. Next, we have the king of the jungle, the African lion, known for its powerful roar that echoes across the savanna. It's like nature's alarm clock, but way cooler. Lions are the only social cats, living in prides led by a dominant male. Think of it as the ultimate family reunion, but with more fur and fewer awkward conversations. The lionesses, sleek and powerful hunters, work together to bring down prey, while the male, with his impressive mane, protects the pride's territory. It's like a well-oiled machine, but with claws and teeth. The mane, a symbol of masculinity and strength, also serves as protection during battles with rivals. It's like having a built-in helmet, but way more stylish. Lions play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. They're like the bouncers of the savanna, keeping everything in check. As apex predators, they regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of the savanna. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Despite their power, lions face an uncertain future. Even kings have their challenges. In this chapter, we follow a pride as they stalk their prey, their movements a symphony of grace and power. It's like watching a live-action nature documentary, but with more suspense. Meet the giraffe, the tallest animal in the world, with a neck so long it could probably get a better Wi-Fi signal than you, and legs that make it a true icon of the African savanna, and possibly the best basketball player in the animal kingdom. Standing up to 6 meters tall, giraffes have a unique perspective on their world, able to spot predators from afar. Talk about having a bird's-eye view. Their long necks are not just for show. They're like nature's periscopes. They allow giraffes to reach high into the trees, browsing on leaves that are inaccessible to other herbivores. It's like having VIP access to the best salad bar in town. Their specially adapted tongues, long and prehensile, can strip leaves from even the thorniest branches. Imagine having a tongue that could help you pick locks. Giraffes are social animals, often found in loose herds that roam the savanna in search of food. It's like a never-ending buffet with friends. Despite their size, they are remarkably graceful, their movements a study in elegance and balance. Think ballerinas on stilts. Habitat loss and poaching threaten giraffe populations across Africa. It's a tall order to protect these gentle giants. Join me as we observe a tower of giraffes gracefully navigating the acacia woodlands, their patterned coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. It's like watching nature's camouflage experts at work. We'll witness their gentle nature as they interact with one another and learn about the challenges they face in a changing world. Because even the tallest creatures need a little help sometimes. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. That's faster than your internet on a good day. Built for speed, cheetahs have long, slender bodies, powerful legs, and a flexible spine that allows them to make incredible turns at high speeds. Think of them as the Ferraris of the animal kingdom. Their distinctive black tear marks that run from their eyes down their cheeks aren't just for show. It's like their built-in sunglasses. They act like a sprinter's eye black, reducing glare from the sun and improving their vision while hunting. Who knew cheetahs were so fashion-forward? Unlike lions, cheetahs are solitary hunters, relying on their incredible speed and agility to chase down their prey. No team sports for these speedsters. However, their sprints are energy-intensive, and they often lose their kills to stronger predators. It's like running a marathon, and then someone else eats your pizza. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and the illegal pet trade all threaten their survival. It's tough being the fastest when the world is slowing you down. In this chapter, we witness the breathtaking speed and agility of the cheetah as it pursues its prey. Hold on to your seats, folks. The hippopotamus, often found in rivers and lakes, is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. And no, it's not because they're grumpy about their weight. Don't let their languid, water-loving nature fool you. They're not just floating around waiting for a spa day. These massive creatures, weighing up to 2 tons, are fiercely territorial and possess a powerful bite. Think of them as nature's bouncers. They spend most of their day submerged in water, their eyes, ears, and nostrils strategically positioned atop their heads to stay alert while their bodies remain cool. It's like having a periscope built in. Hippos are herbivores grazing on grasses at night. They're basically the midnight snackers of the animal kingdom. And while they may appear cumbersome, they can run surprisingly fast, especially when charging out of the water to defend their territory. Imagine a 2-ton sprinter with a bad attitude. Despite their power, hippos face threats from habitat loss and hunting. Even the toughest need a safe place to chill. Climate change, leading to droughts, further shrinks their watery domains, increasing competition for resources and escalating conflict. It's like a bad reality show, but with more teeth. Join me as we observe these fascinating creatures in their watery havens. Just don't get too close. They're not fans of paparazzi. The African buffalo, known for its strength, unpredictable nature, and, let's be honest, a face only a mother could love. These massive bovines, weighing up to 1 ton, are formidable opponents. Even lions think twice before messing with them. It's like picking a fight with a tank. Their horns are a sight to behold, a fused, bony mass that forms a helmet-like structure across their heads. It's like they were born with their own built-in crash helmets. African buffalo are highly social animals, living in large herds that can number in the hundreds or even thousands. It's like a never-ending family reunion, but with more horns. This herd mentality provides safety in numbers, with the older, more experienced individuals forming a protective barrier around the young and vulnerable. Think of it as the ultimate babysitting squad. As we journey alongside a herd of African buffalo, we'll witness their incredible strength, their complex social structure, and their vital role in the intricate web of life on the African savanna. And who knows, maybe we'll even catch them in a game of buffalo tag. The zebra, with its distinctive black and white stripes, is a common sight on the savanna. It's like nature's barcode, but don't try to scan it. Did you know that every zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like our fingerprints? Imagine trying to play hide and seek with that. This dazzling display serves a variety of purposes. And no, it's not just to look fabulous. The stripes act as camouflage, breaking up the zebra's outline and making it harder for predators to single out individuals, especially in the dappled light of the savanna. It's like a natural invisibility cloak. Zebras are highly social animals, forming strong bonds within their herds. Think of them as the ultimate squad goals. These herds, a mesmerizing sea of stripes, migrate across the savanna in search of food and water, creating one of the most spectacular sights in the natural world. It's like a black and white movie, but in real life. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of the zebra. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. The rhinoceros, with its thick skin and impressive horn, is a symbol of strength. Think of it as nature's tank, but with a better attitude. These prehistoric-looking giants are true survivors, having roamed the earth for millions of years. They probably have more stories than your grandparents. There are two species of rhinoceros found in Africa, the black rhinoceros and the white rhinoceros. And no, it's not a color thing. It's more about their lip shape. Both are critically endangered, victims of poaching for their horns, which are falsely believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures. Spoiler alert, they don't cure anything. Rhinos are herbivores, using their horns to defend themselves, to clear obstacles, and to dig for water. Basically, they're the Swiss Army knives of the animal kingdom. Despite their size, rhinos can be surprisingly agile, capable of short bursts of speed. Imagine a tank doing parkour. They are also surprisingly intelligent, with complex social interactions and strong maternal bonds. Yes, even tanks have feelings. Join me as we observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. And remember, always respect the tank. The leopard, a solitary and elusive predator, known for its climbing abilities. It's like the ninja of the animal kingdom, but with better fashion sense. Unlike lions, leopards are solitary creatures, masters of stealth and camouflage, their spotted coats blending seamlessly with the dappled light of the forest floor. Think of them as the ultimate hide-and-seek champions. They are incredibly strong for their size, capable of hauling prey twice their weight up into trees, keeping their kills safe from scavengers like lions and hyenas. Talk about a gym membership paying off. Leopards are opportunistic hunters, their diet consisting of a wide variety of prey, from small rodents to larger mammals like antelopes. Basically, they're not picky eaters. Despite their adaptability, leopards face threats from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and the illegal wildlife trade. Even the best ninjas have their challenges. In this chapter, we'll venture into the leopard's domain, using camera traps and the cover of darkness to catch a glimpse of these elusive predators in action. Get ready for some nighttime ninja moves. Finally, the gorilla, our closest relative in the animal kingdom, found in the dense forests of Africa. And no, they don't throw barrels like in Donkey Kong. These gentle giants share nearly 98.7% of their DNA with humans, and their intelligence and social complexity never cease to amaze. They might even be better at solving puzzles than some of us. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Think of them as the East Coast and West Coast rappers of the animal kingdom. Both are critically endangered, facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and disease. It's a jungle out there, literally. Gorillas are herbivores, spending their days foraging for leaves, fruits, and shoots in the dense undergrowth. Basically, they're on a permanent salad diet. They are highly social animals, living in family groups led by a dominant male, known as a silverback due to the silver hair that develops on their backs with age. It's like their version of going gray. The silverback plays a crucial role in the group, protecting his family from danger and maintaining order. Think of him as the ultimate bodyguard and babysitter rolled into one. In this final chapter, we journey deep into the rainforest to meet these incredible creatures. Grab your popcorn. It's going to be a wild ride. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through Africa's wildlife. From the majestic elephant to the elusive leopard, each animal plays a vital role in the delicate balance of the African ecosystem. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to be as cool as a leopard? It is our responsibility to protect these animals. Because, let's face it, no one wants to explain to their kids why elephants are only in storybooks, and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the wild heart of Africa. Plus, who doesn't love a good safari selfie? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Because let's be real, you don't want to miss out on more wild adventures.